Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss some questions based on conversion. So the very first question is we are converting 5 kilometer into hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter and millimeter. So in these questions, we are converting bigger units into smaller units. So we will multiply in all the questions. As you can observe, in first question, we are converting 5 kilometer into smaller units. And in second question also, we are converting 5 meter into smaller units. So we will multiply in all the questions. So we are converting 5 kilometer into hectometer. In this series, we can see that hectometer is just below kilometers. So we will multiply by 10. Now, in second part, we are converting 5 kilometer into decameter, and you can see it is 2 step below, so we will multiply by 100. Now in third part we are converting 5 kilometer into meter, and it is third step below than kilometer, so we will multiply by 1000. Now, in fourth part, we are converting 5 kilometers into decimeter, and you can see in this series that decimeter is 4 steps below than kilometer, so we will multiply by 10,000. Now, in fifth part, we are converting 5 kilometer into centimeter, and we can see centimeter is 5 steps below than kilometer, so we will multiply by 1 lakh. And in sixth part, we are converting 5 kilometers into millimeter. So we will multiply by 10 lakh because it is 6 steps below than kilometer. Now, in second question, we are converting 5 meters into decimeter, centimeter and millimeter. So when we will convert 5 meter into decimeter, so we can look at the series that this decimeter is just below this meter. So we will multiply by 10. Now in second part we are converting 5 meter into centimeter, and you can see it is 2 steps below, so we will multiply by 100. Now we are converting 5 meter into millimeter, and you can see it is 3 steps below, so we will multiply by 1000. So in these questions we are converting bigger units into smaller units, so in these questions we have multiplied. In all the parts we have multiplied. Now, in these questions, we are converting smaller units into larger units. So we will divide in all the questions. For example, look at question number 3. Convert 5 millimeter into centimeter, decimeter, meter, decameter, hectometer and kilometer. So in first part, we will convert millimeter into centimeter. So you can see that centimeter is just above millimeter. So we will divide by 10. Now in second part you will convert millimeter into decimeter, and decimeter is 2 steps above than millimeter, so we will divide by 100. Now in third part you can see meter is just 3 steps above than millimeter, so we will divide by 1000. In fourth part, we are converting millimeter into decameter. So you can see it is 1, 2, 3, 4 steps above than millimeter. So we will divide by 10,000. Now in fifth part, we can see we have to convert 5 millimeter into hectometer. And you can see it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps above than millimeter. So we will divide by 5 zeros, and that is 1 lakh. In sixth part, we are converting 5 millimeter into kilometers, and you can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 kilometer is 6 steps above than millimeters, so we will divide by 6 zeros. 6 zeros means 10 lakh. And in fourth question, we are converting 5 meters into decameter. So you can see decameter is just above the meter. Then we will divide by 10. Now in second part, 5 meters into hectometer, and you can see hectometer is just 2 steps above than meter, so we will divide by 100. Now in third part you can see 5 meter into kilometers, and kilometers is just 3 steps above than meter, so we will divide by 1000. Only you have to increase 110. Only you have to remember that whenever you are coming from upper side to lower side, multiply, and whenever you are going from lower side to upper side, just divide. So just look at the very left question. In this question, you are converting 5 decameter into centimeter. So you are converting a bigger unit into a smaller unit. You can see this is a bigger unit and this is a smaller unit. So whenever you are converting bigger unit to a smaller unit, you just have to multiply. But multiply by what? Just look at the number of zeros. 1, 2, 3. So just multiply by 1000 and you have got your answer, that is 5000 centimeter. Now just look at the right question. In this question you are converting 5 centimeter into decameter. So 5 centimeter is a smaller unit and decameter is a bigger unit. So you are converting smaller unit to a bigger unit. So obviously you will divide. But divide by what? So just remember the number of zeros. 1, 2, 3. So just divide by 1000 and you have got your answer 0.005 decameter. I hope you like this video. Thank you.